Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you a little overview of this here LED Edison bulb. This is a Edison bulb. It is a 700 lumen bulb. Just going to be some facts on it. The base here is the E26. I think these come in a multiple packages depending on how many bulbs you need. And the color on this, which I'm getting ready to show you. And the color on these is 2700K. That stands for kelvins. The dimensions, if you just want to get some confirmation on that, is right at from tip to basically here to here, which is really what matters. Right at 4 inches, and the total width is about 2.25. So 2.25 wide this way, 4 inches from here to here. You see the LED filaments. This is what it's going to look like when it's plugged in. Just from a contrast standpoint, this is the bulb I was just sharing with you, and this is a little bit larger. So it's very similar in size, but the filaments are a little bit smaller. So you can see there, but very nice. This glass actually has that bubble look to it. But if you're looking for a LED option that looks like a regular halogen, these look pretty nice, Again, this is a larger option. This is a little bit smaller bulb, as you can see in this example. Hopefully that helps.